Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I feel like I have not said that in so long because I really haven't. I think it's been a couple months and I've been really inconsistent with YouTube. However, within this video, I really wanted to tailor it and just kind of catch you up in terms of where I've been, why I haven't been posting on YouTube, what's been going on in my life, and just updating you on little things, or I should say little big things that has really been going on and just kind of been my reason as to why I haven't been showing up and am now deciding to, or finally starting to. So with that being said, the first thing that I really want to catch you guys up on is me and my health, because I want to say that that is one of the biggest things that has really withheld me from showing up as much as I used to. I feel like maybe some of you guys can relate, but ever since COVID hit 2020, I feel it was just like a down spiral in terms of my health. I ended up finding out that I had ovarian cyst, which had me in the most excruciating pain ever, and a lot of bloating, a lot of gut health issues. I even have a mole on my scalp which has just been growing, which hopefully I'm going to be getting removed soon. Very fatigued, very lethargic. I've been feeling just not myself, if that makes sense, or if you can relate. If you know, you know. Unfortunately, that has been one of the biggest things or key aspects that I really don't obviously show. And that's another thing, like social media, you only see the goods of social media and you don't necessarily see the bads. Sorry, I moved. You don't necessarily see the bads of social media, and that's something that I really want to kind of show you guys moving forward with my YouTube channel. There's going to be a lot of changes here on my YouTube channel. Now, with that being said, I used to work a 9-to-5 job and I had insurance, whereas being your own boss, I should say, or having your own business, it's very different when it comes to insurance. It's a lot more expensive and it's a lot more difficult. And I want to say that I finally got insurance. So this year is going to be the year that I put in everything into my health. I'm so excited about that, because not only that, it's just not only has it taken a toll of just the way that I feel, because obviously if you are healthy, health is everything. If you don't feel good, you obviously don't perform good. And that's why I'm saying, like, there would be times where I'd be on client calls and I'd inside be like in excruciating pain. And obviously I'm not going to show that, or I'm not going to say that, but it's just been very difficult for me, and I'm not going to sit here and post that on my Instagram or show you guys, you know. But that's really what's been happening on the back end of things. Like, my health and just things internal for me have not been the best. And this year I'm changing my diet, I'm changing just so many different things to really get my hormones back in check, to really get my situation with my insides just fixed, and so many things of that aspect that I'm going to be documenting for you guys and taking you guys along the journey as well. A lot of you guys also know that I've been struggling with acne, hormonal acne, for years. I've posted so many different things that I have tried that have helped, yet my acne still came back, to the point that I've also even gone on Accutane. For those of you who have been following me or have been on Accutane, Accutane is one of the worst things that you can do for yourself, for your body. It ruined my vision. A lot of hair loss for me, thinned my hair out, so many things. It's also gone so far to the fact that I used to have super oily skin, to where now it hasn't gone back to being oily. It is just severely dry. And going through all of that, it's very disappointing to say that 2020 my acne came back, which also took a toll on my situation, or just me in general, because obviously going from having bad acne, having it go away after Accutane, and then having it then come back is just very hard on myself, because my acne is one of my biggest insecurities, and we'll talk about that in another video. But it's been something that has just been a work in progress for me these past couple years. So with that being said, this leads me into just talking about how I plan to go forward with YouTube from now on out. So in terms of how I used to create videos, I used to create a lot of educational content and value-based content, which it's not going anywhere. It's just going to be it's going to be delivered differently to you guys. So I really want to get a lot more personal. I really want to focus on what my main and number one thing here on my YouTube and my platform is to really build a much stronger, tight-knitted community. And I feel like it's so important, and that's something that, yeah, I was doing, but then it just got to a point where I was just so level-headed and focused on I need to be posting a lot of educational content, solely based on the fact, and just me being the entrepreneur at heart that I am, that I was really just looking for more leads, more clients, and all of that stuff, to where it really drew away the fact of just the community aspect. Whereas something that before I even gone into marketing and digital marketing, like YouTube was always my thing. Like I always started in beauty. I always wanted to have my YouTube channel just be a creator at heart. And I feel like I never got to fully express that. I kind of just jumped into business videos, if that makes sense. And a lot of you guys, every time I would ask my audience and my followers, you guys wanted vlogs, you guys wanted day in the life, you guys wanted to see those behind the scenes, and I never really gave that to you. Whereas now, that is my whole goal. Like that is what I want to do on my channel and will be doing. So get ready to see a lot of lifestyle videos, vlog content, day in the life content, seeing the real behind the scenes of what goes on in your girl's life, because I love watching those videos, and obviously you guys have been asking for them. So I'm so excited to finally be able to like sit down and be like, this is what I'm going to be doing for you guys, because it has been a long time coming. So also, aside from that, in regards to my health, I'm going to be showing you guys just kind of like the before and afters of things, like what I'm going to be doing. Will it be working for me? If it works, maybe it can also benefit you. I'm also going to just tell you the things that I've been doing. Obviously, this is unsolicited advice. I'm not a doctor or anything, but I love seeing other people's journeys on how they overcome their acne or overcome their health issues that they're going with. So that's what I plan and intend on doing with you guys. I want to just kind of document my journey on everything, and that's where I want this YouTube channel to really go. And I know it's going to be exciting, and I know that you guys are really going to enjoy that, because it's what you've been asking for. So it's finally going to be happening. And in terms of business has been booming. It has been the best it's ever been. And there's been so many changes as to what we've been doing, which it's going to be for a whole entire other video, not just this one. But for the most part, it's been the best that it's ever been. And I'm so happy with where it's going and what's been happening behind the scenes, which obviously in other videos that I'm going to be creating for you guys, you're going to be seeing what we're doing, what we're working on. But for the most part, I do want to kind of just say, like, that's another contributing factor as to why I really wasn't showing up on here last year. I kind of was putting all my like cans, or what's that analogy? All my cans or eggs, my eggs in a basket. I'm so done. I was putting all my eggs in a basket in terms of Instagram and just the coaching business last year, which really led to me burning out severely, to the point where towards the end of last year, I didn't even want to post anymore. Hint and hence why I'm just now showing up, and it's mid-February. I'm just now showing up, and I'm just now getting my creativity and my flow back, which that happens. It is normal. It is normal. If you're in business, you know what I'm talking about. If you're a creator, you know what I'm talking about. Ever since maybe I want to say October, November of last year till just about now, I was feeling I don't even want to be on social media. I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to take pictures. I just don't even want to show up. Whereas now I'm starting to get my creative flow back, because I took a step back, and that's normal. It's obviously not something good. Obviously, if you're feeling that way, there is something that obviously has to give and change. So I'm going to be creating a whole nother video talking about this, but basically I took a step back, and Jonathan was really just focused on the business so that I can kind of get back into the flow, because obviously you guys know, men and women, we all operate differently. Something that I've also been getting into. We operate very differently, and our clocks are just very different as well. And I feel like I was just kind of working and overworking myself and trying to keep up with how men usually work in their pace. And it wasn't doing me well. It wasn't doing my body well. It wasn't allowing me to really flourish and operate at my best. Whereas now I feel like with what I had planned and what I have coming with you guys, and just really focusing on just my passion projects, which is my YouTube channel, blowing up on socials and doing things that way and the way that I have it planned, is something that I'm so excited for and that I can't wait. So this year I'm really just focused again on my YouTube, TikTok. I'm going to be focused on there. You're going to see me showing up more on those social media accounts and social media platforms. I'm really just focused on really building a community with you guys and just building an audience. That's my number one. Really entertaining you guys, really taking you guys along the journey and behind the scenes, because it's something that I enjoy watching. It's the content that I've always wanted to create, and it's also what you guys have always been asking me for. So I can't wait. This is basically what's been happening in my life. To just sum it up in short, health combined with focusing on the business and just leading to burnout, to finally realizing and taking a step back what I truly want to do, and now taking those baby steps and putting my best foot forward in what I truly see myself doing, which is YouTube and being a creator and just showing up for you guys and doing what I've always essentially wanted. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to take you guys along the journey with me. I know that you guys are gonna thoroughly enjoy, truly enjoy the videos that you're about to see. There's gonna be a lot of traveling this year. Next month in March, Jonathan and I are going to Spain. We're gonna be traveling around Spain, which will be documented. I'm gonna be vlogging that entire trip, so be on the lookout for that. There's gonna be so many things that I'm so excited for you guys. But with that said, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to come in here and kind of update you guys on life, what's been going on, why I've been MIA, and really share with you guys what is all to come. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this little update. I hope that you are excited for what's to come and that I am back. Again, I am truly so appreciative of each and every one of you for your constant support. I've been hearing your messages. I know that you guys have been missing these videos and wanting different style and vlog videos, which you are finally going to be getting. So yeah. Thank you so much again for always taking the time to support me, for subscribing to me, and for being patient with me. This is your reminder to just check in with yourselves and remember that health is number one. Take care of yourselves and always remember that you are your first priority. So I'm just gonna wrap this video up here. If this is your first time coming across my channel, if you guys found me on TikTok or Instagram, welcome. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe to follow along the journey and get ready for an amazing ride with me. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. And again, thank you so much, and for your constant support. And if you're excited for all that to come, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment what you want to see most from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.